The video you are about to watch covers the Nissan Juke, the Cube, the Sentra, the Versa, and the Versa Note. These vehicles must be push button start. We are using a Juke at the end of the video for the demo, but it's the exact same for all vehicles listed. The BCM is located right above the driver's kick panel. Poke your head under the dash and you will see it. You do not need to remove any panels from the vehicle whatsoever. Alright guys, I'm out at a Nissan dealership and I'm going to give you a quick description and overview of our new 4HT harness. It is plug and play at the BCM. So we have a black BCM connector, a white BCM connector. There are two jumpers here on the white connector. You're either going to use A or B. The install guide will tell you which one to plug into for your vehicle. We have a fuse, module connectors. This one is for our smartphone port. This will be a blue 4-pin on your harness, but it will say phone module on the label. We have a ground wire, which is the black one with the ring terminals. And then we have a wire that has a spade on it. This is going to be for our auto light shutdown circuit. So if your remote times out or you simply shut it off with the phone or your key fob, it will trigger the auto lights so they will not stay on and drain your battery. So essentially what you do is just go ahead and unplug these. There's the black one and the white one is right there above it. And then you plug our T-harness in. So you're gonna plug this into our connector and plug the other side of our connector right back in to the BCM. So, all right, as you can see, we have our T-harness plugged in and the OEM connector plugged into the black one. And then the same thing with the white one up here. The pigtail with a spade on it that I showed you guys, it plugs in right over here. You'll use the tap that came with our kit, and I'll show you what wire to tap, and you just plug the spade right on into it. I already unplugged this connector up here so I can show you guys how to get it out, because it's kind of tricky if you have never pulled one of these out. So here's the deal. This connector fits into the BCM like this, and the way you pull it out is there's a tab on each side here, so you have to push these in on both sides. So you have to pinch it like this, pinch both sides, and then weasel it back out. So on the Juke, it's a light blue wire right here. We will have this in the install guide, so make sure you check that. The wire color may vary, but we will have a pin out, so make sure that you put the right tab, use the right pin. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do is plug the door pin right into here, and then plug this back into the BCM, and the only thing we have left is the ground wire. Just go ahead and ground it right here at the hood release. I'm actually gonna pop this kick panel off and scratch some paint off and ground it right down here with a self-tapping screw. Just pulled it outside. We're going to give you a quick demo on it. On the factory key fob, you're going to hit the lock button 3 times. So you're going to hit 1, 2, 3. Don't hit it super fast, otherwise it won't work. Use the speed that I just showed you. There we go. Give it 5 to 10 seconds and she'll fire up. The AC or the heat will kick on to where you last had it set. The door will remain locked, so you can come out, hit the unlock button, and you got 45 seconds to jump on in. Obviously the car is still running, and then you can just hit the brake pedal, pull it out of park, and drive away.